Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the 9-box grid. This powerful talent management tool helps organizations evaluate their workforce by assessing both current performance and future potential. It provides a clear, visual framework to categorize employees into 9 distinct segments, offering valuable insights for strategic talent decisions. We will explore its structure and practical applications to optimize your team's growth and development. To effectively use the grid, first understand its 2 crucial axes. The horizontal axis represents current performance, ranging from low to high, indicating how well an employee meets their objectives. The vertical axis, also scaled from low to high, assesses an individual's potential for future growth and increased responsibility. These 3x3 dimensions create the 9 unique boxes for evaluation. Interpreting the 9 segments is key. For example, the top right box signifies high-potential, high-performance individuals, often considered top talent ready for promotion. Conversely, the bottom left box, low-potential, low-performance, indicates a need for immediate intervention or reassessment. The other 7 boxes offer nuanced insights, guiding specific development plans for each employee category. Applying the 9-box grid offers numerous benefits. It is an excellent tool for succession planning, helping identify future leaders and critical roles. It also assists in pinpointing specific training and development needs, ensuring targeted growth opportunities. Remember to regularly review and update employee placements, perhaps every 6 to 12 months, to maintain its accuracy and effectiveness in your talent strategy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.